Nearly 2 million years ago, our earliest ancestors faced a simple challenge: how to survive the night. They built huts, marking some of the first sparks of true architectural innovation. The world was a mosaic of grasslands and river valleys, abundant with food but also dangers. For early hominins, finding a safe place to rest meant the difference between life and death. Archaeological evidence suggests that as early as 2 million years ago, early humans constructed simple shelters from branches, leaves, and animal hides. Ground impressions and stone arrangements paint a compelling picture. These lightweight, portable structures were perfectly suited for the mobile lifestyle of hunter-gatherers. They were spaces defined by intention, design, and recurring use, a monumental step forward. Building a hut represented a fundamental cognitive leap, requiring anticipation, planning, coordination, and cooperation. Early humans were beginning to shape their world, not merely react to it. Evidence from sites like Oldaway Gorge shows patterns of circular arrangements of stones and post holes, suggesting repeated construction of similar shelters across human evolution. At the heart of many early shelters was fire, providing warmth, protection, and a place to cook. The hearth turned a simple structure into a gathering place, the first living room. When multiple huts appeared together, the earliest embers of community emerged. These clusters of shelters marked the beginnings of settlement and, with it, the seeds of civilization. These shelters were more than protection. They were expressions of ingenuity, cooperation, and imagination. In their fragile forms, we find the earliest architecture of the human spirit.